Snow here too, Alex. We had those big fat snowflakes falling yesterday in Snoqualmie Pass, Washington. I mean, look at it coating everything out here. The trees just laden down with this flocked with this really heavy, wet snowfall. And wet is the key word because we have a lot of moisture that's been coming into the Pacific Northwest. We had some record rain yesterday in places like Quileute, and there's more to come. We've got an atmospheric river set up, and this is a strong one. I'll show you just how strong it is. You can actually see it on the water vapor. Look at all this moisture, the green that you see. That's the moisture in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and that is pointed right here at Washington and Oregon. So let's zoom into the details and talk about what's going on here across the Northwest. We've got a lot of moisture coming in, and it is an atmospheric river, and so a lot of this moisture contained and funneled right into a small area. The concern is that it could bring flooding, especially to some of the rivers, the Snoqualmie, the Grays, just two of the rivers that could potentially see flooding out of this kind of situation. So we're going to bring it in as we get through midweek. Some of the flood warnings that are up actually go until Thursday, or the flood watches, I should say, go until Thursday. And I mentioned that it's an atmospheric river. It's a Category 4. Did you know that there is a category scale for atmospheric rivers? It goes from 1 to 5, and it has to do with how much moisture is contained and how long it's going to be impacting an area. So this is going to last on the order of 2 or 3 days. It's got high to extreme amounts of moisture in it. So that's a Cat 4. Cat 5 is the highest. So there will be big impacts out of this here in the Pacific Northwest. It's raining right now. We've got rain that is heavy at times for us right here all across the 5 from Washington State down into Oregon. Then, of course, once you get into some colder air, we do have some snow, although snow level is still pretty high right now. And even over into Missoula, we've got rain with a temperature of 34 degrees. These are the flood watches that are up, and they do extend through Thursday. A lot of western parts of Washington and Oregon and some parts of the interior as well, like into northern Idaho, is under a flood watch. Rainfall is going to be heavy at times, and it is possible. It's not just river flooding we're dealing with, but flash flooding. You know, always watching for storm drains that might be clogged up. That can be an issue sometimes with causing the flash flooding. And we've got 3 to 5 inches of rain in a very widespread area still yet to come. Those snow levels